So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, as both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. So before you play the game, make sure to check up all the requirements, and after that launch the game and check if the game is launching now or not. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this does not resolve the problem, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -D3D11 and now check whether the game is launching or not. If this also doesn't work, come back, type -windowed and now check whether the game is working or not. If not, then come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to run the game from installation folder. For that, you have to go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the application, double click on it and then check whether the game is opening or not. If it doesn't resolve the problem and you still suffer the same problem, then you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work for you, come back once again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues and you cannot play the game, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, you have to go to search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, after that click on the play button of the game to check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to run SFC scan. For that, you have to go to the search option. Now search for command prompt. So search for command prompt and here you have to type this, or already I have mentioned it in the description. You just have to copy and paste over here and this and then press enter. So this will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically. After that, try to launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, move to the next method. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. See, if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like Nvidia Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update option, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available. Wait for some time, and once your Windows is up to date, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, next is to clear download cache. So for that, you have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage, click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So simply you have to click on confirm it, and after confirming it, log into Steam once again using your username and password, and after that try to log into the game, click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. If you are Nvidia users or AMD users, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to go there or copy it and paste it in your browser, and after that from there you can easily update your graphics card from there. So as you can see, you have to open this link, and after that you have to go below. Here you have to search for your graphics card, and after that here you have to click on find. So this will further find the graphics card details that you have already mentioned. After that, this type of view you will see. Click on more option, and you have to search for the graphics card for your PC, and after that here you have to click on view option, and after that all the details will be available over here. You simply have to click on the download option, and after that update your graphics card and then launch the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. So now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time unless this is over, and once it is finished you have to close this. After that, restart your PC once and again launch Steam and again log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that you have to go to the search option. Now search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, or you can select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you have to do is, you just have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. So search for Windows security. Now once it opens, you have to click on virus and threat protection. After that, go below. Here you have to click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After that, again close this, go to the search option. This time search for, again go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and then click on OK, and finally launch the game and check. But later on, come back again, make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to install game on SSD. So make sure your game is installed on SSD, otherwise you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So you can easily check it. For go to Steam, now click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If the game is installed on another drive, you simply have to select it, and after that click on move and move your game to SSD. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. Once you have done this, restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restarts. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it. After that, reinstall Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.